Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a sauteed mushroom and focaccia bread sandwich. So, first things first, we've got our skillet heating over medium heat. We're going to begin sauteing our mushroom. We've also got some thinly sliced zucchini. Okay, at this point I'm ready to go ahead and kill the heat. Set that aside while we finish toasting our bread. We toasted the bread on both sides, and then we've cut it down into strips and then cut it into nice little squares here to make kid-friendly size sandwiches, little finger sandwiches here. Okay, we're ready to assemble our sandwiches. We're going to put some of our sauteed zucchini and mushrooms. Okay, slice of cheese. And all that's left to do now is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.